Subscribe now for honest reviews and exclusive deals.
Looking for one tool that can do almost everything? Meet the Deco Rotary Toolkit. With a powerful 170-watt motor and adjustable speeds from 8,000 to 35,000 RPM, it's perfect for cutting, grinding, sanding, engraving, polishing, and more. The flexible shaft gives you pen-like precision, making detailed work easier and more comfortable. You also get 127 accessories, including cutting, carving, polishing, and drilling attachments for wood, metal, jewelry, and DIY projects. Its ergonomic soft grip design and extra handle provide better control, even during long working sessions. Whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, or DIY enthusiast, the Deco Rotary Toolkit is the ultimate all-in-one crafting companion. Get yours today and bring your creative ideas to life.
Tired of struggling with hard-to-reach bolts and screws? Meet the LIBRATON 14-piece T-handle hex key set. This versatile kit includes 14 popular SAE and metric sizes, making it perfect for bikes, cars, motorcycles, furniture, machinery, and more. The ergonomic T-handle design gives you extra leverage and torque, helping you tighten or loosen fasteners with less effort. Each wrench features a dual-end design. Use the long end for deep screws and the short end for tight spaces. Made from durable chrome vanadium steel with a rust-resistant finish, these tools are built to last. Plus, clear size markings and a convenient storage rack keep everything organized and easy to find. Upgrade your toolbox with the LIBRATON T-handle hex key set today. Still struggling to mark deep holes and tight spaces accurately? Meet the professional carpenter deep hole marker pencil. With its extra long 45mm metal tip, this pencil easily reaches areas where ordinary pencils can't. Perfect for woodworking, construction, metalwork, renovations, and DIY projects. It writes on wood, metal, plastic, glass, paper, and many other surfaces with clear, precise marks. The built-in sharpener keeps the lead sharp at all times for maximum accuracy. Plus, it comes with extra gray and yellow refills, making it ideal for both light and dark surfaces. The convenient pocket clip keeps it secure and ready whenever you need it. Upgrade your toolbox with the Carpenter Deep Hole Marker Pencil and mark like a pro. Want professional-level model finishing without scratches? Check out the DSPIE Abrasive Block Glass File. Designed for hobbyists, model builders, and DIY creators, this polishing tool delivers smooth, precise finishing on plastic, resin, and model parts. Its premium glass file surface helps remove imperfections while creating a clean, polished finish. Unlike traditional sandpaper, it's washable and reusable, making it a cost-effective addition to your toolkit. Perfect for Gundam kits, scale models, miniatures, crafts, and detailed hobby work. Lightweight, durable, and easy to control, it's the tool every model enthusiast should have. Take your projects from rough to flawless with the DSPIE Glass Polishing File. Need a compact tool for engraving, drilling, grinding, and DIY projects? Meet the USB Rechargeable Mini Rotary Toolkit. Powered by a strong all-copper motor, this cordless tool delivers reliable performance for precision work anytime, anywhere. Its lightweight, ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold, while the wireless setup gives you complete freedom to work without tangled cords. The adjustable chuck supports accessories from 0.5mm to 3.2mm, making it perfect for engraving, polishing, drilling, carving, and crafting. Recharge easily with any USB port. No bulky power adapter required. Whether you're a hobbyist, crafter, or DIY enthusiast, this mini rotary tool is the perfect addition to your toolbox. Small size, big performance.